At Hero Future Energies, a homegrown brand since 2012, quality has always been our priority. Our objective is to optimize available resources to maximize possible generation for all our rooftop solar clients. From my experience in this industry, I can say that if you are looking for improving employability, companies value the following skill sets. 1. Who focuses on quality of job work. 2. Who keeps pace with latest and improved work practices. 3. Who conforms to technical and engineering standards as defined for job. This video is about protocols to be followed for installing a well-planned and efficient solar rooftop system. Hope you find this information handy and useful. I would now hand over to our Chief Engineer who will run you through the proper installation process.
Hello friends, every day we have a scope of learning to do our job simpler and smarter way. I am happy to share our learning with all of you today. After spending more and enough man hours on different rooftop solar project sites across the country, Hero Future Energy has standardized the stepwise installation process for variety of solar rooftop installations. Rooftop solar installation is a technical process which needs extensive planning since space availability and power requirement may vary with the site situation. The entire process has two critical components. First is site survey process, the second one is the installation and execution process.
For accurate length and breadth measurement of the surface area, use laser beam device or measuring tape. For perfect measurement, one must consider physical structures like water tanks or pillars present on the targeted rooftop area. Such structures can cast shadow and are likely to reduce generation and damage the solar modules. During the survey process, identify evacuation system on site. For example, in case of a 415 volt setup, you do not require any transformer or ST panel. But for 11 kV or 33 kV setups, it is required. Also, design engineers would need information on availability of a spare feeder to integrate it with ST panel and LT panel. During site survey, check for presence of any lighting arrestor. You need to mark the area where arrestor casts shadow. You should not place solar modules in that area.
Our key takeaway is that during site survey, you should report every minute site-specific details accurately on survey data form. As an industry good practice, we capture both images as well as videos with live commentary of targeted rooftop areas.
For accurate installation of modules, use only applicable tools for marking. Use line dory for making of alignment of adjacent foundations. Clean the area with wire brush after chipping. Mix concrete as per ratios in the drawings. Consistent curing of foundations must be done for 7 days after placement of structure legs. It is important to install solar modules facing south to retrieve maximum generation. For the tilt angle on RCC roofs, follow latitude of the location. The tilt angle for industrial shades is same as slope of the shade. The commonly used solar modules are monocrystalline and polycrystalline. Handle solar modules with proper care to avoid micro crack in solar cells. Ideally, 2 people should transport and install the modules. While tightening of purling nut, washers, bolts, make continuous smooth action using a calibrated torque wrench, which should be set at correct assembly torque. Now comes the critical step of forming a panel string, which entails wiring a group of panels into a single input on inverter. Usually 18 to 28 modules are used in one series. After string formation, you wire the solar modules using MC4 connectors. In a series connection, you connect the positive wire from one module to the negative wire of the other. As a good industry practice, rotate one of the tools while keeping the other still to finish tightening MC4 connector. Cable tray installation must always start from one end. A separate earthing strip is led along the cable tray runner, and all other trays and earthing strips should be interconnected. The earthing strip is fixed by welding at every 1.5 meter. As an industry good practice, always apply GI paint at cut and welding points of cable trays. Finally, we connect solar modules to inverter, which is then connected to metering panel device and then finally connected to the grid. The output wire is connected with the board that supplies electricity to consumers. A metering device calculates total energy generated from the solar rooftop power system. Store materials on site systematically to avoid any damage and for easy identification. Use forklift truck for handling boxes. Store MMS on wooden planks so that it does not come in direct contact with floor, soil or water. When storing modules, turn the glass face down. Avoid water collection inside module as this can damage module connectors. Don't step on the cartons and solar modules. Cover solar modules completely with opaque material during handling or installation. Storage area should have proper drainage system. Store inverters, lighting protection device and its accessories in a clean and dry place to protect from dust and corrosion. Transformer unloading and handling work should be carried out and supervised by specialized people, following all safety rules.
If you follow these ground rules to the T, you cannot go wrong. Also, it is extremely important to follow guidelines on personal health and safety. Now, let us look at the common mistake which we should avoid at all the cost. Please remember, rooftop solar installation is a function of three key parameters: micro-precision in survey, fault test execution, avoiding common mistake which can prove costly in future. Above all, safety always comes first.
Hope you found the video useful. Though the steps to install rooftop may appear to be quite simple, but on ground, every technician, every engineer must follow these protocols diligently so that consumers have a satisfying experience for the next 25 years. In their own way, both consumers and project developers of a green and clean energy are contributing to a larger cause of environment preservation. And we agree that besides caring for environment, shift to solar makes an absolute business sense. Solar rooftop is also creating substantial job opportunities for a country like ours, and therefore a correct skill set is very important.